Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we have another good question. The question is we have 1 plus 1 upon x to the whole power x plus 1, which is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 2019 to the whole power 2019. We have to find the value of x. Now on taking LCM from the left hand side, we get x plus 1 upon x to the whole power x plus 1, and on taking LCM from the right side, we get 2020 upon 2019 to the whole power 2019. Now let x plus 1 is equals to minus y, then x is equals to minus y minus 1. On taking minus common from the right side, we have x is equals to minus of in bracket y plus 1. On replacing the values, we have minus y upon minus of y plus 1 to the whole power minus y, which is equals to 2020 upon 2019 to the whole power 2019. Now if we are cancelling minus from the numerator and denominator both, we get y upon y plus 1 to the whole power minus y, which is equals to 2020 upon 2019. Now we know the property of exponents, that is a upon b to the whole power of negative n, which is equals to b upon a to the whole power n. Now using the property y plus 1 upon y to the whole power y, which is equals to 2020 upon 2019 to the whole power 2019, it becomes y plus 1 upon y to the whole power y. We can write on the right hand side 2019 plus 1 upon 2019 to the whole power 2019. Now if we compare the values on the both sides, we have y is equals to 2019. As we have already considered, x plus 1 is equals to negative y, x plus 1 is equals to minus 2019, x is equals to minus 2019 minus 1, which becomes minus 2020. X is equals to minus 2020 is the right answer. Now if you like the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.